In this project, we have been chosen Al Muaskar Highway to work on it. We chose the second segment of the highway, which is started from Sheikh Isa Avenue Junction till the first traffic alignment. The length of the segment is around 1.7 km with speed of 100 km per hour. The highway classified under multi-lane highway divided by a median. The highway consists of 4 lanes, 2 lanes in each direction with a 3.5 meter width for the single lane, median with 6 meter width, and shoulder in each side with 3.5 meter wide. The dimensions of the highway was obtained by using Google Maps. Procedure to calculate the data and the calculations. Most of the data was calculated manually by going to the field and trying to count the number of vehicles passed through the highway in 15 minutes. After that, by using the speed gun application, we measured the speed of a number of vehicles randomly to calculate the average speed of the vehicle in Al Muaskar Highway. The average speed was 96.57 km per hour for 23 cars.
Spot speed study. Procedures used in collecting the data. In the second phase of the project, the speed data was collected in the field by going to the desired highway and measure the speed for 62 vehicles by using the speed gun application. And this is the observed data as illustrated in the table below. Depending on the observed speed data, we classified the speed values into 9 groups of a different limits with the specific interval to form a frequency distribution table as shown below. Then we plot the frequency distribution curve and cumulative frequency distribution curve. Using the central tendency equation, we calculate the mean, standard deviation, 95% and 99.7% confidence interval. And by using the frequency distribution curve and cumulative frequency distribution curve, we calculate the pace range, median, mode, and the percentage of driver within the pace range. First, we found the pace range by scaled 16 km per hour in the horizontal axis of the frequency distribution curve, which gives the speed range in which the highest proportion of driver driving. Second, the mode, which is the speed that has the highest frequency. Third, the median, which is the middle value. Finally, the percentage of driver within the pace range. We found it by using the pace range in the cumulative frequency distribution curve. After that, we applied a chi-square test to see if our speed data follow the normal distribution or not.
To calculate the final phase level of service, the data was collecting from the field by 2 observers from our group. The first observer was counting the number of passenger cars, and the other was counting the number of heavy vehicles for each 15 minutes separately in the peak hour by using papers to note down the data and a stopwatch. By using some analysis that taking from highway capacity manual and according to the density, the level of service of direction 1 and direction 2 is level of service B. And also by using base speed flow curves for multi-lane highways, we found that the LOS of direction 1 and direction 2 is level of service B. Muaskar Highway is level of service B. So, the highway is still free flow and maneuvering is relatively easy, but the driver has to be careful. At the conclusion of the work on this project, we learned a lot of things, such as how to apply what we learned in the traffic course to reality, also how to deal with some programs like Google Map, Google Earth, and the Speed Gun.